Okay, so this is a 3-bed, 2-bath property right in the center of Arroyo de la Miel. Okay, 3-bed, 2-bathroom. Originally, it was actually planned to be a 4-bedroom. Hence, the lounge is very large with this extra area to the right. So that's actually, it's a 3-bedroom, but yeah, that could be a 4th bedroom if so. It's very sunny. It's got a terrace. Some sea views, as you can see. Right in the center of Arroyo de la Miel, it has a parking space. It has a swimming pool, community pool, and you step out and everything is at your doorstep. This door here goes to the bedroom area. Good sized lounge, dining area. Going through to the independent kitchen now. Now through to the bedrooms. One bedroom here. This has a separate wardrobe put there, so this room's actually bigger than what it seems. There's a built-in wardrobe just to the right there. Second bedroom. Okay, good sized room. And just through the window here, we will see the pool area. There it is. Garden area, and we do have parking. The entrance to the car park is just there, next to the pool. Now going to the main bedroom. There's the lounge again, okay, through there. This is the main bedroom to the right, with its ensuite bathroom. Wardrobe to my right. This room is the main bedroom. It has sea views also, which you can't quite see, I don't think now, but they are there. And there's a built-in wardrobe to the right. Okay, now going through to the second bathroom, the guest bathroom. Okay, and there it is. So overall, well-priced property for a large. It's quite rare to see a property this large for 3 bedrooms. Okay, right in the center of Arroyo de la Miel. You can walk to all amenities. It's got pool and parking.